Good morning and welcome to week 15. This is the last week of classes for this semester. Final exams week begins a week from Tuesday. I worked really hard over the weekend to respond to all of your drafts. If you have submitted one to me, I have responded. I am completely caught up with grading unless you submitted something last night. And if you did, I'll try to get back to you today or by tomorrow at the latest. I did a little bit of adjusting on our final schedule, so make sure you pay attention to the Google Classroom calendar, which is updated to give you an extra couple of days on the last assignments. Our final peer review workshop was going to begin Wednesday the 21st and end by Saturday the 24th at midnight. The final essay will be due on Monday the 26th. Next week during final exams week, you'll complete a course reflection. The peer review goes a lot like it has the last two times, so I don't think I need to explain the process to you, but make sure you check in with me if you have any questions. It's so beautiful outside. Make sure you're giving this last 2 weeks all you can. You'll be happy in the end. Remember that a lot of good processing work can happen outside, especially when you're walking. If you get stuck at your computer, go take a nice long walk. I think some of my most productive work happens after I take a walk or when I sit down for a lot of short writing sessions rather than a really long one. Hey, good luck everyone. Make sure you keep in touch and I hope you're doing well.